Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you how Parse Connect can intelligently process documents and help you create and update records in your Salesforce org with just a few clicks. We'll take on the persona of an account executive in Sales Cloud who's just about to close an opportunity because they've got a signed statement of work. Here's the opportunity we're working on. Notice how the close date is in October and we're in the proposal stage. If I scroll down, you can see the statement of work, which is a contract lookup, and the customer signatory, a contact lookup, are both not populated. We also don't have any attached files on this record yet. Let's go ahead and use Parse Connect's manual parsing capability to create that contract and update this opportunity. First, I'll select New in the Parses component, and then I'll just choose my already uploaded statement of work document. Then I'll click Next and see that we've already pre-selected the Statements of Work manual parsing template. Now I'll go ahead and click Parse and let Parse Connect do all the heavy lifting for me. Looks like we got our results back. The first field in here is the close date, which is getting updated to December 2nd, 2025. Let's go ahead and scroll down in the contract to see where it pulled this out of. As you can see, this is from the final signature date in the final page of the document. And so this close date value is correct. Because the contract is signed, the opportunity is going to be marked as closed won. Parse Connect also generated a description, which is a summary of the project covered under this contract. Now this parse template was also built to update the billing address on the parent account of the opportunity. If we scroll up to the top of the contract, we can see that the billing address is available in this first paragraph. Let's go ahead and click View Field Updates, where we can use the Stare and Compare UI to select all of the parsed values for the billing address on this account. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a contract record to populate the Statement of Work lookup field. Let's go ahead and click Create New. This will bring up the contract creation form, where we can see a bunch of the details have already been filled out by Parse Connect. I'll just select an account record, a customer signed by contact, and a company signed by user before we confirm the rest of the fields and click Create. As you can see, the customer signatory field has been pre-populated because Parse Connect was able to find a matching contact record by the name of Edna Frank, which was parsed out of this document. We can go ahead and view the field updates for Edna's contact record and select the updated title value, which we also pulled from the SOW. With all of our fields filled out, let's go ahead and click Save and Next. This will bring us to the final parse results step. Here we can see the receipt of the entire transaction. We can drill into each record individually to see the fields that were created or updated as a result of this manual parse. We're all set. Let's go ahead and click Done so we can check out the updated records. Now we've got the parse that we just created in our Parses component right here on the record page. The opportunity stage has been flipped to closed won, and that close date was updated to December 2nd. In addition, that contract PDF that we just parsed was attached to this record. And our lookup fields were populated with that new contract and existing contact, with the contact getting updated with that new title value. So there you have it. Before Parse Connect, I would have had to read that contract and manually pull out all the details to create and update records on my own. But with the manual parsing workflow with Parse Connect, this took me under a minute. Thanks for checking out our demo. If you have any questions on manual or automated parsing with Parse Connect, please don't hesitate to reach out.